Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss one more question that is asked in CSAT 2024 and the question belongs to the percentage topic. The question is a person buys 3 articles P, Q and R for 3330. If P costs 25% more than R and R costs 20% more than Q, what is the cost of P? सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इनका रिलेशन मेंटेन करते हैं. P is 25% more than R and R is 20% more than Q. So here it is clear that my base case is Q. Why? Because R is increasing on the terms of Q and P is increasing on the terms of R. So let me say that cost price of Q is 100x. So the cost price of R is going to be nothing but 1.2 times of CP of Q, because it is 20% more than Q. That means whatever Q is, there is 20% more, that is 0.25 times of Q. So this is going to be 1.2 into 100x, nothing but 120. And similarly CP of P is going to be 1.25 times of 120x, and this is nothing but 150x. And how is this calculated? Just simply write 120x plus 25% of 120x, that means 1/4 of 120x, and this is going to be 30x, so it comes out to be 150x. Okay, now my total cost price is 100x plus 120x plus 150x, and this is going to be 370x. But initially it was given that this is equal to 3330. क्या करना है? Simply put these two equal. 370x equals to 3330. So you will get x equals to, and this will come out to be 9. So what is my cost price of Q? It is going to be 900. What is my cost price of R? Although it's not asked, so I leave it. What is asked is cost price of P, and cost price of P is nothing but 150x, that is 150 into 9, and that's nothing but 1350. So D is my answer. Let's move on to the practice question for today. It is similar to the question I have discussed right now. A person buys 3 items A, B and C for rupees 3600. If A costs 50% more than C and C costs 20% more than B, what is the cost of A? Try to solve this question and you can get the answer of this question on our Telegram channel. This is the link of our Telegram channel. You can join it and share the PDF there. Okay, thank you. We'll meet again.